This Mexican style marinade is super easy to throw together and is so versatile, the ways to use it are endless. With a simple ingredient list that you most likely already have in your pantry. This marinade will bring a ton of flavor to spice up that boring chicken. No worries if you're not into all that heat. This marinade delivers on flavor without setting everything on fire. There's so many ways to prepare chicken, and just as many ways to cook it. Why not marinade first? Hi, I'm Minnie from This and That Minis. Thanks for joining me. Hit that subscribe button and let's get started. To get started with this, you'll need a 1/4 cup of olive oil. To that, add the juice of 1 lime, or I've got a 1.5 tablespoons of lime juice. 2 garlic cloves minced. I've got about 1.5 tablespoons of crushed garlic here I'm going to use. 1/4 cup of chopped cilantro. 1 teaspoon of chili powder, or I picked this up at the dollar store. I'm going to use it. I think it'll be pretty good in here. And I've just got 1 tablespoon of that. And 1/2 teaspoon of cumin. A little salt. And pepper to taste. Whisk that all up. And that is your Mexican marinade for chicken. Smells great. Because I am going to make some chicken sheet pan nachos tonight, I've got 1.5 cups of chicken here that I'm going to stir right in that and get to marinating. I will also post the video of the sheet pan chicken nachos. So check back for that. And this chicken is just leftover rotisserie chicken I picked up at the grocery store. But you can certainly use a cubed up breast or thigh or even leftover fried chicken, whatever you might have on hand. This marinade works great with raw chicken as well, beef, pork, and even fish. I'm just going to place a lid over that and put that back in the refrigerator for at least an hour. An hour is good, 4 hours is better, and overnight is best. Now, of course, you can use a Ziploc bag here. No mess, no fuss, easy cleanup. But I started in a bowl and I'm going to finish in a bowl. Well, thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment below if you have any questions or suggestions. I'd really love to hear from you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and watch these videos next.